and welcome back to the Breakdown How To. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can start a blog using WordPress. Before though you can get your blog set up and running, you need to get WordPress set up and running. And to do that, go to the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. That is the first link down below to get an awesome WordPress site automatically set up on an incredible host that will give you a free domain and free SSL for your site for just $3.95 a month. Guys, it's the best deal out there, and we host all of our websites on Bluehost because we have not been able to find a better deal for the overall quality that Bluehost provides. The breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. First link down below. So once you've set up Bluehost, you will land on a site that looks like this. If you don't, simply go to your website, whatever your domain is, /WPadmin. That will take you here where you can log in to your WordPress site, right? You should have created that in the setup process there. You'll log into your WordPress site and then you'll land on a dashboard like this. After that, we need to set up a theme. To do that, come down here to Appearance and then click on this Themes button. Pretty simple stuff. Now, I've already got a theme set up. I love this theme, but you better believe I will not be changing it. What I can do, though, is click right here and add a new one to show you guys how to do it. So if we look here, we've got tons of different WordPress themes, all kind of built for different purposes. What's great is you can click here and click on a preview of them and see what all these are going to look like. Let's say you really liked this one right here, right? So that's actually not a blog theme, so what are we doing? That's not going to work. This one right here, let's see, is this a blog theme? Yeah, this is a blog theme. It's pretty cool. Let's say you liked this one. All you would do is then click install. It would then install the theme, right? Makes sense. And then you would click activate to make it active on your site. I don't want to do that. I like my theme. But after you click activate, it's going to take you to most likely a customization page that looks something like this. You're going to have all this customization stuff on the left and then your site on the right. You can go down through here and change all of the different stuffs. Guys, you can't mess anything up from here because if you mess it up, let's say you click this, guess what? Not a big deal if you don't like it. I don't even know what that did. Whatever that did, if I don't like it, guess what I have to do? Just come back over here and click that. It's as simple as that, guys. No worries, no issues. So don't be afraid about messing anything up in here. Anything can be changed back. And once you've figured out what you like, go ahead and click publish. Now your blog is basically set up and designed, right? That is what a blog is. Now, if there is a WordPress theme you found outside of that theme search I just showed you, you can install that pretty easily as well. Download it, and then once you've downloaded it, click on Upload Theme here, and then choose it from your desktop or wherever. Click Install Now, and then it will set up and install that theme. Then activate it. It'll take you back to that customization page, and then once you're on that customization page, play around with it, set everything up that you want to set up, and then click Publish, and click the X to go back into the WordPress dashboard. Now, how do you publish your first blog post on WordPress? Well, it's actually pretty easy, guys. Just come up here to post and then add a new post. Boom. Just like that, you're going to be able to post a blog post on WordPress quickly and easily without any issues. Title in your title here. Title. This is going to be your paragraph, right? Paragraph. Boom. And then I'm just going to copy this and paste it all the way down through here. There we go. Now we've got that. We then want to come over here and pick a category or add a new category and type your category in there. I'm going to go ahead and pick on this one as like life, because why not? You can add in tags if you'd like. Set a featured image. This is pretty important. Now, most WordPress themes these days will recommend when you come over here a image size right there. If it doesn't, no worries. Play around with it. Mine likes images exactly this size right here, which is going to be 1600 by 600. Kind of a weird resolution, but we're good there. Set that featured image. Now, you won't have any of this. This is a Yoast SEO plugin. But after that, you are good to go. You can go ahead and click publish there once your blog post is written. And bada bing, bada boom, your blog post will go live on your website. You can click right here to check it out. And as we can see, there's my featured image, there's my title, and there are all of my words. Awesome stuff, guys. Congratulations. Your blog is live. It's super easy to start a blog in 2018 now, guys. Like, not a problem whatsoever. So be sure to get on it. What are you waiting for? Just do it, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this every single day of the week. Also, if you'd like to start an e-commerce store, click out the I up there or any of the videos on your screen right now, or one of the videos on your screen right now, I should say, and it'll show you exactly how to do that. My name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To yet again, and I am out, guys. Peace.